Let's go ahead and grab this box of nickels to hunt today. Hey everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and like I said in my previous video, we've got 3 boxes of nickels to hunt. Last box was a pretty good box. Got 2 more boxes to hunt. This is the one we're going to do today, since it was on top. I've already checked it. It's circulated nickels, so we're excited to get into it. I don't see any crazy enders on the top, but I haven't checked the bottom yet. We'll be checking those during the hunt. Let's go ahead and kick it off with this roll right there. Unbelievable. First roll. Going through them, look at this. And I can see the date now. 36. Buffalo nickel. Oh my goodness. First roll in, guys. And no mint mark. Hey, on the board, first find. That might be a first for me other than an ender that I found a few times hunting nickels. But a buffalo right away? Are you kidding me? Holy cow. That's a good start. Just thought I'd point out that I was excited after the buffalo, but this next roll, 90% of them were 2018 Ds. And I'm looking here, and I'm thinking that this roll here, and this roll here, and maybe a few others are full rolls of 2018 Ds, or at least 90% of them are. There's a few odd coins mixed in with them. But that's going to limit the number of finds we get if we're going to have 10% of these nickels being 2018 Ds. Not mad about that, because I have found when I find new coins mixed in with old coins, we have good key finds, and that's a good start. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted. Very next roll, you can see the amount of new nickels that are in there, guys, and I just want to give you a peek at that, because if this box is like that, like I said, we might not have that many finds. Hopefully the ones we do find are good ones, though. We just finished roll 11. I'm just going to point out real quick, we've got a couple of 1951s here, and they're both the S Mint mark, San Francisco Mint, as you can see. And I only had 5 of all the nickel boxes I've hunted. I've only had 5. And I've already got 2 in this box in the first 11 rolls to go along with a buffalo and a couple other 50s. My point still being that I'm finding a lot of 2018 Ds, but the nickels I'm pulling out, they're not poor quality, and they're good finds. So I'm really excited about the rest of this box. We'll see if we can find some key dates in here. So let's get opening some more rolls. We're going through roll 13, guys, and look what popped up. Another 1939. Could it be the Denver Mint that I'm looking for? It's just another Philly, but it's still another 30s coin. Let's find some more. Roll 14, guys, and take a look at this. We've got a 2002 proof nickel. Unbelievable. I don't find too many proof nickels. I think this might be my 6th or 7th ever. So, yeah, we'll add it to the cool finds. Roll 16, guys, got our first 40s nickel here. 1946, Philadelphia. And while I have you here, I think I see another old one right here. 1947, Denver. We'll take it. And just because it looked old, I just want to double check. It's just a 64. They'll get you sometimes. Roll 43, guys. We went on a streak there. About 50% of them were 2018 Ds. So not a lot of finds in the box. But we found our third 40s coin, a 1946 Philadelphia. So we'll take that, add it to the 40s collection. We do have 9 50s, and we did get the buffalo, and we did get a 39, and we do have a proof, and you name it. So we're pretty happy so far. Maybe we'll find a few more before this box runs out. Roll 47, got another 40s coin. 1940, San Francisco. All right, everyone, finish that hunt. And you know, when you roughly have 25% at least 2018 Ds, you're not going to have that many pulls. But the good news is we found some good coins. We got 309s, a beautiful looking 1962 I'll pull out. We did get that 2002 proof. Take that every day. We end up with exactly 10 1950s coins, and really the two key finds are the 51S's. Only 7.7 million minted of those. I only had 5 before this hunt, so now I have 7. That's great. We got 4 in the 40s. Nothing really spectacular there. We got a 39P, which I have a lot of, but I still like finding second-year Jeffersons. And I guess the find of the box really might be this 36 no mint mark Philadelphia mint Buffalo nickel. First roll that I found or opened, I found it. And then we got the 2018 D nickels unleashed. But that being said, it was still a fun hunt. Good finds. Not a lot, but good finds. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting and thanks for watching.